Hey, hi everyone, this is Mukesh Otwani from learn-innovation.com. Guys, this is going to be a very quick video because in this video I will show you how you can make a delete request. So in the last videos we have seen how to make a get request, and we have seen how to just send a get request and how to capture the responses. Then we discussed about the post request where we created a user and we have also sent a small body, right? Now we're just going to make another request. This request will be delete request. So again I will be selecting this particular collection and I will click on new request, and this request I will give as delete user, and I will be selecting a user API. Click on save to user API. Now if you go back here, so if you can see, this is the delete request that we have to make. So the final endpoint will be API user 2. So second user we are going to delete, and the expected response is 204. Okay, so again I will be going back to Postman, and I will be just selecting from here to delete. Base URL will be this, and the final endpoint will be this. Okay, so you can see we have one additional / that I will remove from here, and that's all we need to do. So just click on send, and you will see if you are getting 204, it means that particular resource has been deleted. Okay, so again if you make multiple requests, because this particular API that we're using, that will not persist the data, so you can make multiple calls. It will not actually delete from the server, but it is giving you what kind of response you can get. Very quick video, just select on get post to delete, and you can delete any resources. Okay, so right now we don't have any additional parameter. In case if you have to pass any additional parameters for deleting that resource, you can pass directly from the query parameters, and you can also add in the body section. So as of now we don't have any body that we need to send along with the delete request. But guys, the next example that I will be taking, there we need to also send the body along with the request. Okay, that is the reason I have selected this topic, that I will show you the two scenarios: how to send a delete request without body and how to send a delete request with body. So stay tuned. In the next videos we'll discuss more about the delete with the different options. So if you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.